Yeah, so this is the file that we're gonna complete, and we're also gonna do maybe some changes in the tests. So let's start with the tests, the first test. And the first test, you don't need to do anything about the test, but you need to change something that it goes green. So the test first development style this time.
All right. Just run it first.
Yeah.
Not found. Mm-hmm.
So expect some okay.
Yeah. So what's the get mapping? API advice. So if you check in the dummy resource, we had the request mapping advice, but the get mapping is just slash. Should we change it to advice?
Yeah, that sounds like a plan.
Mm-hmm. So then it should at least find it. Did you check anything else in the test? Checks it's okay, and that the content type is JSON. And because now we will get a no content back, right? Probably not an advice class.
Yeah, it's an empty.
No, mono empty. Yeah. Okay.
Try run it. Run.
Yeah. Null pointer. So we didn't.
I guess here we are trying to do something.
So we didn't get an advice back. What is an advice? It's long enough.
And we just return an empty mono. I haven't started a mob. Can do a mob start 7. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you need to include the uncommented changes there. Time wouldn't really matter because we do one of us.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, no problem, just let's continue.
Maybe we want to return something here.
Yeah. So you don't want the response body to be empty. So you want to initialize a mono.
Should we do? Is it just adjust or? And then a new advice.
And we wanted
is
the
long enough.
advice to be longer than 3 characters, I guess.
Hmm?
So, any advice for the day? Go
Muddy.
outside.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Good one.
Hmm?
Yeah,
All
let's
right.
test. Lovely.
All right. And the content type is
So the content
standard.
type magic is happening because of a Spring now. You could
Yeah.
set it explicitly, but if you don't set anything explicit, a Spring framework just selects application JSONs for you, and that's the
Yeah.
default. So yeah.